Amazon haul. We were away over the holidays. Before Omicron reared its ugly head, I brought my favorite Amazon purchase with me. All-time favorite. Gift this as gifts. They're not real gold. They don't beep in the airport. They're not even metal, but they're fabulous. You can go to the spa in these. You never have to worry. This is one of my favorite birthday gift presents to give my friends. So I'll link it. Love them. And then she found some new favorites. Look at this adorable little straw clutch. How cute is this? It's a little thin. You're not going to put your sunglasses in here, but you can absolutely put your phone and your lip gloss for when you go out for dinner at night or in your beach bag. I just find it so cute for the islands, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. Of course, she got green. Next new favorite. I always like to pack some sort of windbreaker or raincoat with me, but I really like something that takes zero suitcase space. I'm sorry. Look how cute this is. She's extremely inexpensive. She doesn't have pockets, which isn't the best thing in the world, but you can always take your little clutch. I'll link it. And finally, look at this adorable denim cap. Look how chic. She also comes in black. This totally looks like Prada, but it's not. It's Amazon. Don't you just love an Amazon haul?